Indonesia 6
What's wrong with him?
now Romeo Alpha.
Now kembali.
Kenapa? Kenapa now?
No. Apa masalah?
Stop doing that.
We don't have on our aircraft any flight attendants, obviously. I mean, we are the flight attendants as well as the pilots. So it's a real concern when a passenger's agitated.
Hang on, what's up with this guy?
This guy's pretty crazy, isn't he?
It's an open cockpit. He can just reach over, grab the controls, or assault one of us.
What the hell now?
They put the belt on. Okay, do what I say then. Take control again. Take control.
I have control.
Mate, put your belt on now.
What the hell is that idiot doing?
We're really worried that he's going to disturb like the other passengers or maybe assault one of them or ourselves, which would be the worst case scenario. So we've got to return back to BAC now.